Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Alfredo Montes, and today I'll be presenting. My presentation is introducing Alfredo Montes with me as the creative director. Here's a picture of my dog. His name is Mason, and he is a Shih Tzu. Some hobbies or sports. I love snowboarding. It's one of my favorite things to do. I've gone to different places from New Jersey to the Pocono Mountains to Blue Mountain, and even an indoor snowboarding place in New York called American Dream. I've gone snowboarding with a lot of people, but I love to do it with my friends and family. I love it because it clears my head and it's an extreme sport that gives me an adrenaline rush that I absolutely love and crave. A huge accomplishment for me would be graduating high school. Pushing through it mentally with the help of my family is a big thing. I wanted to quit a lot of the times and drop out and get a 9 to 5 for the rest of my life, but they really did push me through it, and I'm forever grateful for that. I did suffer from poor mental health and some sports injuries that held me back and didn't allow me to go to school for some times, but thankfully I did push through it, and I'm forever grateful. Getting to the next level. This is something that I hope to accomplish with this class and new student learning. It's getting to the University of Central Florida will be the next step for me in advancing in my major, which is architectural design. I love online learning. I think it's great. It gives people more flexibility. And personally, it was introduced to me in 2020 and helped me more than anything. Again, with high school, not being able to get to school on some days. The reason I love it is because it helped me graduate high school. Thank you. And this has been my presentation.